Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most effective ways to elevate your landscaping, the fence border garden. But what exactly does that mean? Simply put, a fence border garden is a dedicated planting area or landscape feature that runs directly alongside your property's fencing. It serves as a transition zone between the vertical structure of your fence and the horizontal expanse of your lawn or patio. Rather than having a harsh, bare line where the wood or metal meets the grass, a border garden softens those edges with textures, colors, and varying heights, effectively turning a functional boundary into a living piece of art. Having a fence border garden offers numerous benefits that go far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost, it significantly boosts your property's curb appeal and overall value by creating a finished, professional look in your outdoor space. Beyond beauty, these gardens act as a natural privacy screen. By layering tall plants and shrubs against a fence, you create a thicker barrier that dampens noise and blocks the view from neighbors. Environmentally, these borders provide essential habitats for pollinators like bees and butterflies, especially if you choose native flowering species. Additionally, a well-defined border makes lawn maintenance much easier, as it creates a clear no-mow zone that prevents you from accidentally damaging your fence with a weed whacker or lawnmower. To make your fence border garden look truly beautiful, you should focus on the principles of layering and contrast. Start by considering the color of your fence. A dark fence makes bright green foliage and vibrant flowers pop, while a white or light-colored fence looks stunning with deep purples and blues. You should step your plants by placing the tallest species in the back against the fence and shorter, mounded plants in the front to create depth. Don't be afraid to incorporate non-plant elements like decorative edging, such as cobblestones, timber, or modern metal strips, to give the bed a clean, defined shape. Adding solar-powered uplighting or fairy lights along the border can also transform the garden into a magical evening retreat, highlighting the textures of the leaves and the silhouette of the fence after the sun goes down. Choosing the right plants is the secret to a low-maintenance and high-impact border. For the back layer, evergreen shrubs like boxwood or arborvitae are excellent choices because they provide structure and green color all year round. If you want a more romantic or cottage-style look, climbing plants like clematis, wisteria, or climbing roses can be trained to grow directly onto the fence. For the middle and front layers, perennials such as lavender, hostas, and alliums offer a mix of interesting textures and seasonal blooms. Hostas are particularly great for shaded borders, while salvia and coneflowers thrive in sunny spots. Mixing different bloom times ensures that your fence border looks vibrant from early spring through late autumn. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best fence border garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the classic white picket path. This design features a charming white picket fence adorned with a lush overhead arbor. The border is filled with a dense mix of purple petunias and white alyssum, creating a soft, romantic entrance. The stone pathway leading through the gate is perfectly framed by the low-growing floral border, making it an ideal choice for a cottage-style front yard. 2. Modern allium and iron elegance. In this setup, a sleek black wrought iron fence provides a sturdy backdrop for a minimalist yet striking garden. Tall, spherical purple alliums and white tulips stand high above a base of bright lime green ground cover. The transparency of the fence allows the garden to be enjoyed from both sides, significantly enhancing the home's curb appeal. 3. Vibrant perennial cottage border. This idea focuses on a rich variety of colors and textures against a natural wood fence. It features layers of purple salvia, yellow pansies, and pink snapdragons, all contained by a rustic log-style edging. This is a perfect example of how to use various heights to create a wall of color that hides the lower part of a wooden fence. For contemporary geometric precision, for those who love a clean look, this design utilizes a horizontal slat wooden fence paired with a modern black decorative metal edge. The planting is simple but effective, featuring perfectly manicured boxwood spheres and ornamental grasses. The use of dark mulch creates a sharp contrast against the green grass, emphasizing the clean lines of the landscape. 5. The living privacy wall. This design uses a tall, corrugated metal fence as a backdrop for a perfectly spaced row of emerald green thuja trees. By planting these evergreens in a straight line, you create a secondary green fence that provides maximum privacy and a high-end, estate-like feel to the perimeter of the property. 6. Layered woodland edge. Against a dark brown lattice-top fence, this border uses a mix of tall conical evergreens and airy flowering plants like purple alliums and yellow euphorbia. The use of a raised brick border adds a touch of traditional structure, while the loose planting style gives it a natural woodland feel that is very soothing to the eye. 7. Zen multi-level decking border. This sophisticated idea integrates the garden directly into a wooden deck. A raised wooden planter box runs alongside the fence, filled with tall bamboo for privacy and fragrant lavender at the base. The transition from the wooden steps to a gravel path with timber sleepers creates a modern Japanese-inspired aesthetic that is perfect for relaxation. 8. Formal driveway screening. This border is designed to soften the long line of a driveway. It features a classic scalloped picket fence backed by tall, dense arborvitae. In front of the fence, large, leafy hostas and flowering spirea shrubs create a thick carpet of green and pink, proving that even a functional driveway area can be a beautiful garden space. 9. The pollinator's paradise. If you want to attract wildlife, this deep border against a tall evergreen hedge is the way to go. It features a wild but intentional mix of foxgloves, roses, and catmint. The various shades of pink and purple create a dreamy, English garden atmosphere that provides plenty of nectar for bees and butterflies. 10. Minimalist tiered topiary. This ultramodern design features a crisp white retaining wall that doubles as a planter against a black horizontal fence. It showcases a combination of tall, conical topiary trees and rounded lollipop trees, accented by low-growing purple flowers. It is a high-contrast, low-maintenance look that fits perfectly with contemporary architecture. Creating a fence border garden is truly about expressing your personal style while making your outdoor space more functional. Whether you prefer the wild, overflowing look of a cottage garden or the neat, architectural lines of a modern landscape, the area along your fence is a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. By carefully selecting your plants and considering the layers of your design, you can turn a simple boundary into the most beautiful feature of your home. If you enjoyed these fence border ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to turn your backyard into the garden of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.